Family Health Center of Worcester, Massachusetts is part of a national healthcare safety net recognized for its high quality in caring for underserved communities. Here, patients receive comprehensive care all under one roof. Continuing education is also a big piece of what happens here, making sure that staff are on top of the latest in medical and dental equipment sanitation.
It's wonderful to have an outside group come in and reinforce the things that we encourage our staff to do.
That is why they brought in the outside expertise of Porter and Chester Institute, who developed and delivered a comprehensive program which consists of an online course followed by in-person, hands-on training.
The online training was very comprehensive. It was several modules, and it really went step by step to show the process of the autoclaving. And that really helped when the in-person training came along.
So what I liked about the online course was that I was able to pause, play whenever I wanted to, and also go back if I needed to and take notes and watch the cool videos that they had on there.
Put another full bottle of distilled water, run that through the cycle, you'll empty that out, and then once that's done, you'll fill it back with just regular distilled water.
Here today at Family Health Center is the follow-up to the online program, where staff are being trained in using an autoclave sanitation process.
We want to ensure the safety of patients and staff during the delivery of dental and medical care at Family Health Center.
What I'm learning from the program is that we are able to learn how to sanitize the instruments, making sure that we have all the instruments steriled and that it's prepared for the patients, making sure that the patients are safe as well as the employees.
We work with the instruments as well, so we handle instruments and we want to be safe as well.
Like many supervisors here, we want to show our support to our staff, and we want to make sure that what is delivered for education is consistent with our expectation for training. We love our partnership with Porter and Chester. Keep doing the good things you're doing.
For more information on professional training services offered by Porter and Chester Institute, please contact Andy Cerrone, Director of Employer Partnerships. He can be reached at acerrone@porterchester.com, or you can call him at 781-234-4437.